Hi, I'm attorney Peyton Murphy. I'm from Baton Rouge. I attended LSU undergrad, and then I obtained my law degree from Tulane Law School. After that, I worked for a judge for a year in Connecticut, where I'm also licensed to practice. Then I moved back to Louisiana and worked for an insurance defense firm. Worked on a case while I was there, and the verdict came back for the defendants. I thought the verdict was unjust, and I thought it was not fair to the plaintiff. At that point, I realized this job wasn't for me. So I decided to move back to Baton Rouge and open Murphy Law Firm in 1993. I was 26 years old. I saved $6,000 and had $87,000 of student loans to pay. But my parents taught me the values to treat people right and be fair and honest at all times. I knew opening this office, I could help people. My wife Jenny and I have 4 kids. 2 of them attend LSU and the other 2 go to local schools here in Baton Rouge. Just like clients I represent, my family enjoys all the activities that Louisiana has to offer, from fishing to hunting to playing golf together. Family values and morals matter to me. What I'm trying to teach my children is to take responsibility for their actions and do the right thing, and be fair with your judgment and have sound mind when you do it. The problem we have today is too many people don't want to take responsibility. If the insurance industry was fair to injured victims, folks, I wouldn't have a job. You should be very aware that insurance companies know your lawyer, and they know Murphy Law Firm, and they know our reputation. So what sets us apart in this legal community that we're dealing with is the lawyers here understand that if they're not willing to go to trial and fight for the client, they have no place here at Murphy Law Firm. The best part of my day every day would be the clients I get to represent, the lawyers I get to work with, and the staff that helps us do it. Our local practice involves handling cases from South Louisiana to North Louisiana and throughout this state. Some of the cases we handle involve 18-wheeler accidents, automobile wrecks, offshore and maritime cases, asbestosis and mesothelioma, premise liability, workers' compensation, and wrongful death cases. We also have a nationwide mass tort division here at Murphy Law Firm, where clients have been injured by defective drugs and medical devices. At Murphy Law Firm, we hold ourselves to a high standard, and all the attorneys here are required to make sure the client is satisfied with the final results. Folks, I've assembled a team of trial lawyers that combined, we have almost 150 years of litigation experience. These lawyers are passionate about their job and want to make sure the right thing happens for the clients. Insurance companies want to treat you as a statistic or a number. Here at Murphy Law Firm, we don't have any numbers and we don't have any statistics. We have your name and we're representing you, the person. When you meet me, you may hear this from me. I often tell clients, every case is different, every person is different, and we're going to treat you as an individual client here. There have been so many times in my career that we've taken cases that are very difficult, and we know it's going to be a fight before we start. But I believe in the client, and I believe in the cause, and I believe the person is telling the truth. So many times the insurance industry takes that same case and has a rule that says the police report says this, the defendant said this, so that's the way it is. And oftentimes that's not the case. So if you sit down and visit with the client and understand what they're saying and get the story right, then you'll understand we're going to be the voice for them. And this is the deal I make with every single client that walks in this door. I want you to leave your worries with me. When you walk out that door, let me worry about what's going to happen with this case. It's no longer your obligation to be concerned about the legal process. I will take care of that. You need a law firm that's ready and willing to go to trial to protect your rights. Murphy Law Firm is that firm, and I'll assure you Peyton Murphy will hold them accountable.